Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. Firstly, go into settings and click on apps and notifications. Over here choose notifications and scroll down. Then choose see all from last 7 days and pick one of your apps. For example, Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Google Play Store are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, just click at the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!